What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out some new products from Pat McGrath. I use those products to get this look that I have on today. This is also my first impression of the brand Pat McGrath. I've never tried anything from her brand before, so if you want to see how those products held up and my opinions of those products, please keep on watching. Recently on Sephora, she dropped this Ecstacy kit, and in this kit it has a eyeshadow palette, a loose like eyeshadow glitter, and her new mascara. And I also picked up one of her lip glosses. I never really thought that I would purchase from Pat McGrath. Like, I always wanted to, but the pricing was just a little too steep. These items that I purchased today aren't affordable, but thought like with this kit I'll be able to try a lot of her products and not have to pay the full price. It's $48. It's not really cheap, because for $42 you could get an ABH palette, but Auntie Pat is the queen and I really want to try out these eyeshadows and that mascara because Jackie Aina raves about it. So let's cut into this package. It's just so pretty, you don't even want to cut it. I'm gonna try my best not to get these sequins all over the place. The sequins literally everywhere right now. It has like a little pamphlet. It's telling you what's in the kit and like how you can use it. So let's get into the palette. This is the palette and the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's so cute and black with this gold lettering, and here are the shades. I think the shades are very pretty. Like they're more like everyday shades. This is like the perfect palette to like take on a trip with you and be able to get like a decent amount of looks out of it. Like, I give up with the sequins. Like, I'm gonna just have to vacuum. Okay, here is the sample size of her FetishEyes Mascara, and here is the container of her Crystalline Dream Angel Dust Pigments. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, it kind of comes out in clumps, but then when you rub it in, it's like a glitter highlight. Okay, the palette has 6 shades as you saw. Okay, now let's go ahead and use the palette. Okay, the first shade I'm going to use is this burnt orange brown kind of shade right here, and of course I'm going to pat that into my crease. So far I really like this shade. It's very buildable. It has a lot of pigment. I'm going to take that same shade and put it on my lower lash line. Even though this shade is like perfect, like I feel like it's like one of those colors that you can just put all over your lid and just go, but I really want to give this black shade a try. I hope I don't mess this up. I'm going to add this on the outer edge of my eye and see what that looks like. I don't have a lot on the brush because I'm scared, but you can kind of see it. And I'm also going to drag a little bit of that into the crease, just so like halfway, and then I'm going to go back over it again with that burnt orange color just to soften it out. Next, for my lid space, I'm going to use this shade right here. I'm going to use my finger to apply it. Okay, here's what it looks like so far. I really want to try the little loose eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that like on the center of my lid. That looks so pretty. And I'm also going to put the loose shadow on my inner tear duct. With my eye look done, I'm going to go ahead and try the mascara. This is what the wand looks like. It's a very full wand, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I like it. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you guys to see if you guys can see the difference. This is without mascara, obviously, and this is with the mascara. I think it looks really pretty. It's very dark, and I would say it's volumizing. Yeah, I'm not mad at that. It looks good. So here are the lashes with mascara on them. I think they look pretty. For the day that you don't want to wear eyelashes, I feel like this is like the perfect mascara because it kind of gives you volume. But I am putting on lashes today, so yeah, that really doesn't matter. Okay, I went ahead and lined my lips, and now we're gonna jump into the lip gloss. I got it in the shade Bronze Divinity. Like, the packaging is just so pretty. And here is the gloss. Here's what the applicator looks like. Smells like vanilla. And it feels really good on the lips, really good. But I don't really like the combo on my lips. I'm gonna just take it all off and try it again. I'm gonna try the same lipstick again. This is KKW in pink number 1. And then use my liner again to go over it. Yeah, I like that a lot more. And then we're gonna try to go in with the gloss again. Yeah, that looks a lot better to me. Okay guys, this is my final look, and like I've been saying a lot lately because I've been trying amazing products, I really like this look. This palette is versatile. Like, even though it's just like 6 shades in here, I feel like you could get a lot of looks out of it, and I love the shades that she included in this palette. The shadows are amazing. Like, the blend on this like brown shade, amazing. I'm like very I'm not really surprised because I've heard nothing but good things about this brand, and it held up to the hype. It's bomb. I like the mascara, and I really love the little loose eyeshadow. I think it took my look to the next level. Like, look at that. So yeah, I really liked everything that I tried out today. I do see myself purchasing more from the brand. Everything was just bomb. Well, that wraps up my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.